Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. The UNTEI 2-in-1 Mini Drones versus the drone with camera. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone enthusiast, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the details and find out which one is the best fit for you. Let's start with the design and features. The UNTEI 2-in-1 Mini Drones offer a unique combination of a mini drone and a toy car. It's perfect for those who want to experience the fun of racing on the road and flying in the sky. With easy glide takeoff and landing, this drone is easy to control and guarantees a unique flying experience. On the other hand, the drone with camera offers user-friendly features like one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, and even smart app control. You can define flight routes, use voice control and gesture selfies, and enjoy functions like 360 degrees flips and gravity sensing. It also comes with an adjustable HD 1080p camera for stunning photos and videos. Safety is always a top priority when it comes to drones. The UNTEI 2-in-1 Mini Drones feature propeller guards and a one-key emergency stop function, ensuring the safety of the drone, furniture, and people nearby. Made with high-quality ABS material, this drone can withstand numerous collisions or drops, making it suitable for children and beginners. Similarly, the drone with camera prioritizes safety with propeller guards and an emergency stop function. It's designed to be durable and reliable, providing a worry-free flying experience for beginners. With built-in overvoltage protection and a low battery warning, you'll never lose your drone during flight. Now let's talk about flight performance. The UNTEI 2-in-1 Mini Drones offer 3D flips and high-speed flying, giving you a special and exciting feeling. The LED lights ensure visibility day or night, indoors or outdoors. With one-key taking-off landing and auto-hovering functions, this mini drone is easy to fly and suitable for players of different skill levels. On the other hand, the drone with camera provides stable flight performance with its upgraded hover system and optical flow positioning technology. It's perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots with its adjustable camera angle. Additionally, it offers various features like 360 degrees flips and real-time image transmission, allowing you to share your happy moments with family and friends. Battery life is crucial for enjoying longer flight sessions. The UNTEI 2-in-1 Mini Drones offer a total flying time of 17 to 20 minutes, allowing kids to have more fun and practice their flying skills. The low battery power alarm ensures you won't experience any loss or damage due to low power. Similarly, the drone with camera comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, extending the flight time to approximately 25 to 30 minutes. This gives you a worry-free flying experience, and the remote controller emits a low battery warning to keep beginners informed. Based on online reviews, here's an overall assessment of the two products. And that wraps up our comparison between the UNTEI 2-in-1 Mini Drones and the drone with camera. Both drones offer unique features and great performance, but it ultimately depends on your preferences and needs. Remember, if you're looking for a unique combination of a mini drone and a toy car, the UNTEI 2-in-1 Mini Drones might be the perfect choice for you. On the other hand, if you're interested in capturing stunning aerial shots and enjoying advanced features, the drone with camera should be on your radar. Thank you for watching this episode of Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest comparisons. See you next time.